You about to witness a 2-5 Jedi Minds collabo. You know what I mean? The God just Allah, you know?
Megatron is a Martian, feeding off weed and cash. I dash from my ship in the Roswell crash. You smash when you bash with the clashing ox. Saw you in half without a fucking magical box. Wet pussy always seem to splash my cock. I'm dead, they just didn't leave the casket locked. Past my block, I let shots drilling your spleen. We ill Marines with handheld killing machines. Still dreams with the armored steel. Guard your grill, nigga, I was brought up by the Kents in Smallville. Following our Lord's will, harboring the scale, caught up in the rail, don't give me cause to kill. Nocturnal, I stroll with the darkness goes. If I had to follow the moon across the globe, with the staff and white robe, I still hold metal. Disciples who walk on glass and rose petals.
Yo, last rites, we fast to blast twice.
Jedi Mind 252, we mad nice.
We smash mics and blast too precise.
Fast 40 days, you pray for 40 nights. Yo, I'm savage, I write rhymes in pitch blackness. Any motherfucker in front is left backless. Y'all motherfuckers just burned into ashes. Trying to step into the zone with any passions is Black Sabbath. Put a slug in his grill, cause Jedi Mind 2-5 thuggin' for real. You ever think there might be trouble in pill? Cause a motherfucker like me dumping the kill.